Things you need to know before doing a transmission service on your BMW X5. A 6-speed ZF transmission is known as a 6 HP. There are 5 variations of this transmission. Those 5 variations are split up into 2 different types of transmission pan categories: a 24 screw pattern and a 21 screw pattern. The reason you would need to know this is because there are 2 different types of valve body sleeve connector seal kits. The bridge seal adapter height on a 6 HP 19 and 21 equal to 15.4 millimeters plus or minus 0.1 millimeter. The bridge seal adapter height on a 6 HP 26, 28, and 32 equal to 14.4 millimeters plus or minus 0.1 millimeter. The Megatronic sealing sleeve for a 6 HP 19 and 21 have a distinguishing look to them with an arm protruding from the top. The Megatronic sealing sleeve for a 6 HP 26, 28, and 32 has just a regular cylinder shape. Make sure you get the ZF recommended fluid, ZF Lifeguard Fluid 6, or a Shell M1375.4 equivalent fluid. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Once you guys realize what type of transmission you have and you've ordered the required kit for that transmission, please check out the video where we perform this service on a BMW X5 E70. Alright guys, I'm out. J.O.A.T.D. Like, comment, and subscribe.